Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the layers in Photopea. So let's get started. First of all, open your Photopea. Now once you are in here, you have to add the new layer. Once you add the new layer, you have to go on the object selecting tool. And before selecting the object, make sure that you select the previous layer. And here you have to copy it. Now you have to go on the new layer. And here you have to go on the edit and click on the paste. Here you have to allow the Photopea to paste the items. Here you have to delete the extra layers, and as you can see, the layer has been copied. So yeah, this is how you can add the new layers or change the layers in Photopea.